too.
Okay, so I was curious how the shifter sat. I don't think I can shift it to first gear. Yeah. I just have to start in third, fourth, and then fifth. But I'll take and just shorten it down somewhere in here. Put that. So I took the shifter, measured where I think it needs to be, cut the section out, and thought, how do I put it back together? Then I got on the lathe, built a plug. So I'll put the plug in here and in here, bring it up nice and tight, put a bead in there, grind it smooth, paint this all new and black, and put the head back on. So there you go. That's my, what do I do today? Stubby shifter. Ready? Boom. There you are. Short, stubby shifter. Just feels about right though, I'm happy. Ah, we're all gonna die. There you go.